Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we invite you to explore a truly inspiring design, a small whitewashed Spanish-style home nestled in a beautiful garden. This house is a perfect harmony of old-world charm and modern simplicity. It doesn't just reflect tradition, it reimagines it for contemporary living. With every detail crafted to blend heritage and innovation, this home offers a peaceful and soulful living experience. Whether you're passionate about architecture, interior design, or simply love beautiful spaces, this story is for you. Get ready to be inspired by the elegance of restraint and the beauty of balance. Let's begin the journey into this timeless oasis. In the heart of a lush and vibrant garden, a small whitewashed house rises quietly like a whisper of history. Its simple walls reflect the sun, echoing centuries of Mediterranean tradition. But this home is more than a nostalgic memory, it's a fresh interpretation of timeless beauty. The design blends traditional Spanish charm with clean, modern sensibilities. Rounded arches coexist with minimalist lines. Rustic textures are softened by contemporary materials. Every corner feels both familiar and new. This is where the past and future meet. The white lime-washed facade stands as a symbol of purity and clarity. It invites light to dance upon its surface from sunrise to sunset. Inspired by traditional Andalusian homes, the walls breathe naturally, keeping the space cool and comfortable. Yet, inside and out, there's a balance of simplicity and innovation. This is not a replica of old times but a tribute reimagined for today. The house belongs to its landscape, not dominating it, but resting gently within. Surrounded by greenery, it feels like a natural extension of the garden. Harmony is its greatest luxury. This home tells a story of contrast, of rough and smooth, of old and new. The traditional terracotta roof tiles evoke memories of sun-drenched villages. Yet beneath them, clean-lined windows frame views with modern grace. Wrought iron details add heritage without heaviness. The overall silhouette is compact, respectful, and unassuming. But within its modest scale lies thoughtful sophistication. It is a place that honors simplicity without ever being plain. Here, character lives in every detail. Rather than overwhelming the senses, this design invites stillness. The garden is an essential part of the experience, not just a backdrop. Native plants sway in the breeze, echoing the house's gentle rhythm. Water features, stone paths, and organic shapes mirror the home's quiet elegance. The landscape was not altered drastically, it was embraced and enhanced. This design believes in working with nature, not against it. It finds poetry in restraint and beauty in what's already there. The result is a sanctuary for the soul. Modernity appears in subtle ways, in the layout, in the open flow, in the light. Large glass panels dissolve the boundary between inside and outside. Interiors are uncluttered, bright, and breathable. Materials are natural, textures warm, colors calm. The essence of minimalism is present, but softened by tradition. Nothing shouts, everything whispers. And in that quiet, life feels fuller. This is a home designed to be felt as much as seen. Tradition anchors the spirit of the home. From the hand-finished walls to the wooden beams, craftsmanship is celebrated. The design respects history by reinterpreting it. Rather than copying the past, it translates its values into new forms. This is where authenticity meets innovation. It's a place that feels rooted, even if built yesterday. That's the magic of thoughtful design. It transcends time while honoring it. This house is not large, but it is generous in atmosphere. The compact footprint encourages intentional living. Every space has a purpose, yet none feel confined. The openness of the garden adds a sense of expansion beyond walls. Light moves freely, creating changing moods throughout the day. Nothing is wasted, not space, not light, not energy. Sustainability is embedded in the home's modest scale and natural materials. It is beauty born of balance. There is joy in discovering this house. Its charm is not loud but lasting. It welcomes you slowly, revealing layers over time. The details are what make it memorable: the gentle curve of a niche, the texture of lime plaster, the way a tree's shadow dances on the wall. You can feel the love and thought poured into every decision. It's a home made for quiet mornings, shared meals, and deep conversations. It feels intimate, honest, and alive. A place to be fully present. Though inspired by the Spanish countryside, this home fits anywhere people value peace and beauty. Its adaptability lies in its sincerity. It doesn't try to impress, it tries to belong. And that makes it universally appealing. Whether in a Mediterranean climate or a misty hillside, the spirit remains intact. It is not a style, but a feeling. A timeless invitation to slow down and enjoy the moment. The home also reflects a shift in how we define luxury. Not by size or extravagance, but by serenity and soul. In an age of excess, this design offers clarity. It whispers, you don't need more. You need what matters. And what matters here is comfort, light, connection, and calm. This house is a gentle rebellion against noise and clutter. It teaches us to appreciate quiet spaces that nurture us. And in doing so, it becomes truly luxurious. This fusion of old and new mirrors our own lives. We carry traditions forward while forging new paths. A home like this supports both. It feels grounded, yet open. The rustic and the refined are no longer opposites but companions. Arches meet glass, plaster meets steel. Each element enhances the other. It's a lesson in harmony, not contrast. And it makes everyday living feel like art. Creating this home is more than building, it's curating a lifestyle. One that values intention over excess. One that sees the beauty in imperfection. One that blends cultural memory with personal expression. It's a place for rituals and routines, for inspiration and rest. Every corner encourages you to live slower and deeper. The house is not just shelter, but sanctuary. A quiet celebration of home. Even the smallest house can make a big emotional impact. Especially when designed with heart and clarity. This house doesn't try to be everything, it focuses on being enough. And that's its power. It creates space for life to happen naturally. Its intimacy becomes its strength. Here, design doesn't dominate, it supports. And that is what makes it unforgettable. This home invites us to reimagine the meaning of beauty. Not as decoration, but as experience. Beauty that is felt, not flaunted. The whitewashed walls carry centuries of wisdom. The garden, wild yet intentional, reminds us to breathe. The design language is subtle but rich in feeling. It's a reminder that the simplest things, when done with care, can be the most profound. This house is a quiet masterpiece. In the end, this is more than a home, it's an idea. A vision of how we might live more meaningfully. Where tradition doesn't restrict, but inspires. Where modernity doesn't overpower, but elevates. Where design serves life, not the other way around. This little white house in the garden is a dream grounded in earth and sunlight. And it reminds us that sometimes, the smallest spaces hold the greatest peace. It's not just a place to live, it's a way to live. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this design has sparked new ideas and brought a sense of calm and inspiration to your day. At my channel, we believe that thoughtful spaces can truly transform the way we live and feel. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support our channel. Your support means the world to us and keeps us creating more stories like this. Let us know in the comments what part of this design spoke to you the most. Until next time, stay inspired and stay grounded. See you in the next video.